Welcome to Helix Water District Operations Center video training series. The topic of the program you're about to view is standardized hand signals for backhoe operations. The district uses backhoes often for routine, complex, and emergency repairs. Hand signals are necessary to assist the equipment operator since it frequently is difficult for the operator to see the details in the work area. Before we begin, however, an important note on safety. Whenever entering a job site, be sure to protect yourself by donning all appropriate safety gear, such as hard hat, traffic vest, hearing protection, and steel-toe boots. Our first hand signal is for lifting, or raising the backhoe bucket or the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by pointing an index finger upward while moving it in a circular motion. Our next hand signal is for lifting slowly, or raising the backhoe bucket or the front loader bucket in minimal distances. This direction is communicated by pointing a thumb and index finger upward and rubbing them together. Lower the backhoe bucket or the front loader bucket to maneuver the bucket or load downward. This direction is communicated by pointing an index finger toward the ground and moving the finger in a circular motion. Lowering slowly or lowering the backhoe bucket or the front loader bucket in minimal distances. This direction is communicated by pointing a thumb and index finger toward the ground and rubbing them together. Extend the boom outward. This direction is communicated by making two fists, thumbs facing outward, and tapping the insides of the fists together in front of the chest. Retract the boom. This direction is communicated by making two fists, thumbs facing inward, and tapping the tips of the thumbs together in front of the chest. Curl the bucket on the backhoe or the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by holding a hand out, palm facing upward, and curling the fingers toward the palm. Uncurl the bucket on the backhoe or the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by holding out a fist, palm upward, and extending the fingers to open the hand to a flat position. Pinch a load with the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by holding a hand out, palm facing downward, and curling the fingers toward the palm. Move the backhoe bucket to the right. This direction is communicated by holding your left hand out with fingers pointing upward and the palm facing the right hand while pointing the right hand's index finger in the direction of the left palm. Move the backhoe bucket to the left. This direction is communicated by holding your right hand out with fingers pointing upward and the palm facing the left hand while pointing the left hand's index finger in the direction of the right palm. Shade the ditch with the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by holding up a three-finger fist with the thumb and pinky extended outward and twisting the wrist back and forth. Dumping the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by holding up a fist with the thumb extended outward and rotating the hand so the thumb is facing downwards. Spotting material in the ditch with the front loader bucket. This direction is communicated by standing on the opposite side of the ditch from the tractor, with one arm extended toward the tractor and the other arm pointing in the direction the material needs to be dumped into the ditch. Stop any movement of the machine. This direction is communicated by holding up a fist with the knuckles facing toward the operator. And finally, shut down the equipment immediately. This direction is communicated by waving a flattened hand across the neck in a slashing type motion. Hand signals are a vital part of Helix Water District's backhoe operation. Learning to execute these standardized communications properly will help ensure safe and efficient completion of backhoe tasks required by the district to keep the job moving safely and efficiently. If you have any questions about the signals in this training program, don't hesitate to ask your supervisor.